Here we have our 2019 69 plate Kia Sportage. It's a 1.6 diesel. It's a level 4 trim, so it's very highly specified. As you can see, you've got your 19-inch 5-spoke alloy wheels there. It's finished in blue flame metallic. Lovely vibrant colour. As you can see, a very spacious boot. Keyless entry. And your blind spot warning on your wing mirrors there. Jump into the back seats for a second. Heated rear seats there. And with your leather trim on the inside. Got your Isofix points as well in the back. Some your electric seats there. Lane keep assist. Obviously got your opening panoramic sunroof, which is a very sought after feature. Moving on to the infotainment system. You've got your DAB radio, your satellite navigation, your Apple CarPlay and your Android Auto. Got your dual climate control, along with your heated seats and your heated steering wheel. Electronic parking brake. Not only does it have the reversing camera, got the 360 bird's eye view camera as well. This vehicle has covered just 27,000 miles, just over 27. It's extremely low mileage for its age. This vehicle's had one owner. It's got full service history.